What's got you fuming, buddy? What's got you raging, dude? Did something piss you off? You better learn to cope soon. This place eats jokes for breakfast. You'll need some thicker skin. Cause if you're angry now, imagine how you'll feel when...
Ha! Get owned! Ah, she's cool. Wait, what's that? What the heck? Who did this? You! Jax, you're up to bat.
I can't, don't wanna, why, look, why this though?
Seems fitting for you, though. I figured you'd be into this.
What does that mean? What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just having fun. I forgot you hate fun.
I don't want to wear this.
I have never seen you this upset about something.
Jax, bat! I'm gonna kill you when this is over.
Let's see what you're made of.
Shut up!
Don't worry, I think you look good.
I don't want to hear that! I want you dead! Well, guess there's no more ball. We're done. I'm not doing this anymore.
Wait, Jax! What about where is going on?
Jax, we have a ball now. What are you doing?
See ya. Whoops, I missed. Oh darn, I'm out.
Having fun?
Oh, you know it.
So, you wanna talk about that?
I'm in a maid outfit. What do you think? Huh? Oh, cool. I'm not a vegan anymore.
Oh, hey! Wait, what are you...
Hi, everyone. In today's episode, I'm in a maid outfit. Wait, nobody can see this, right?